Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Where's Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of my beautiful tiny home on wheels, Domino. So this video really is to just give you all a heads up of what's to come. I created a two-part series basically telling my story, and it details my time in the military. And if I would have talked to my younger self and said like, hey Brittany, you joined in the military, right? Or you joined in the Air Force, right? Myself would have been like, girl, bye. Like, no. Me struggling with depression. Fast forward to me separating from the Air Force. You would think that, that would have kind of turned everything around, like changed my cloudy days to sunshine, but it didn't. Going through and battling with a gambling addiction. So with that, I handled my stress by going to the casino and a lot of weight gain. It made me eat more. Like, I became so overweight. Like, that was the heaviest I've ever been in my life. I got up to 178 pounds. I'm 5'4.5". And basically throughout this story, I'm actually talking about how van life saved me ultimately. I wouldn't say like, van life was the fix all for everything, but I will say having Domino was the distraction that I needed to move forward and to help me discover who I am as a person, rediscover who I am as Brittany, and also it really helped me kick this gambling addiction. And I just felt like it was time for me to go ahead and tell you guys my story, because I mean, people who come in contact with me, they're always like, oh, you're just so bubbly and la la la, that's just how you kind of move about life. And I mean, I do now. I like to say that my world is filled with sunshine, unicorns, and rainbows, and that's because I've created this world with all of the hard work that I put in. Like, it was hard to get to the point where I'm at today, and I wanted to share my story with you all so you can just kind of follow along my journey prior to you guys meeting me and Domino, and actually learn who Brittany really is and how she actually got to the point of where she is today. So this video is actually a two-part series. It was a little bit long. I think the first video is maybe like 34 minutes long, and then the next one is like 38 minutes long. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I will be talking about a lot of personal things, as you saw in the clips, so it may be triggering to some, so just be mindful. And this is my story, so just know that I'm telling you guys this, and this is my story. So I think that is pretty much it. The first video will go out tomorrow, and the next video will go out on New Year's Day. So with that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.